अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम चार्ल्स लैम्ब के एमसीक्यूज़ की बात करने जा रहे हैं। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Whom did Charles Lamb and his sister adopt? An orphan girl, Emma Isola, who wrote My theory is to enjoy life, but the practice is against it. चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा हुआ है। चार्ल्स लैम्ब वर्कड इन अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफिस फॉर ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी फॉर 33 years. Who called Coleridge a damaged archangel? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने बोला है। चार्ल्स लैम्ब began his career as a poet. Who acknowledged that Lamb had succeeded as a writer not by conforming to the spirit of the age but in opposition to it? हैजलिट ने एक्नॉलेज किया है। Who wrote Iliana? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा हुआ है। Iliana was published posthumously in 1867. Charles Lamb found Christopher Marlowe extravagantly offensive. What was the cause of Charles Lamb's death? Erysipelas, ये एक स्किन डिसीज है। What was the name of Charles Lamb's sister? Mary Lamb. Who is known as the Prince of Essayists? Charles Lamb. Who wrote जॉन वुडविल? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने ही लिखा है। जॉन वुडविल बाय चार्ल्स लैम्ब इज अ पोएटिक प्ले। टू अर्न हिज लिविंग, चार्ल्स लैम्ब स्टार्टेड राइटिंग शॉर्ट आर्टिकल्स फॉर लंडन न्यूज़पेपर फ्रॉम अराउंड 1801. हु होल्ड्स द टाइटल द मोस्ट डिलाइटफुल ऑफ इंग्लिश एसेइस्ट? चार्ल्स लैम्ब. हु कॉल्ड चार्ल्स लैम्ब एन irreligious man? रॉबर्ट सदे ने बोला है। जॉन वुडविल बाय चार्ल्स लैम्ब वॉज अ फेल्योर। हु रोड प्रिंस डोरस? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा है। वॉट इज प्रिंस डोरस? इट इज़ अ फेरी टेल इन वर्स। हु रोड टू वर्ड्सवर्थ आई केम होम फॉर एवर ऑन ट्यूजडे ऑफ लास्ट वीक? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा हुआ है। Whose essays are true to Johnson's definition, a loose sally of the mind? Charles Lamb. Who co-authored Tales from Shakespeare with Charles Lamb? His sister Mary Lamb. Tales from Shakespeare is a collection of prose tales of Shakespeare's 20 plays. Charles Lamb wrote 6 tragedies in Tales from Shakespeare. Mary Lamb wrote 14 comedies in Tales from Shakespeare. So in Tales from Shakespeare में 6 tragedies चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा है और 14 कॉमेडीज मैरी लैम्ब ने लिखा हुआ है। चार्ल्स लैम्ब बिलोंग्स टू रोमांटिक एज। हु कॉल्ड चार्ल्स लैम्ब द मोस्ट लवेबल फिगर इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर? हिज बायोग्राफर ईवी लूकस. हु रोट द लाइफ ऑफ चार्ल्स लैम्ब? ईवी लूकस. Who wrote Essays of Elia? Charles Lamb. Essays of Elia by Charles Lamb is an autobiographical work. Charles Lamb's first supposed love interest was Anne Symonds, who finds place in many of his essays of Elia with the pseudonym Alice M. Charles Lamb again fell in love with actress, but she refused his proposal. तो कौन सी एक्ट्रेस थी? फैनी केली. नो एसेइस्ट इज मोर इगोटिस्टिकल देन चार्ल्स लैम्ब. हु रोट टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा हुआ है। व्हेन वॉज द वर्क टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर बाय चार्ल्स लैम्ब पब्लिश्ड? 1807. Charles Lamb was an admirer and defender of the poetic creed of Wordsworth. According to Sade, whose memory will retain its fragrance as long as the best spice expended on the pharaohs? चार्ल्स लैम्ब के बारे में बोला हुआ है रॉबर्ट सदे ने। What epithet has been coined by Charles Lamb? Lambish. Who wrote neither for present nor for future but for antiquity? चार्ल्स लैम्ब ने लिखा हुआ है। The work of Essays of Elia by Charles Lamb was first published in 1823. The work Last Essays of Elia was published in 1833. The work Essays of Elia was published in London Magazine. Charles Lamb was born in 1775. He died in 1834. Charles Lamb's father was John Lamb. In 1782, Charles Lamb was enrolled in Christ's Hospital School, where he became an intimate friend of St. Coleridge. Charles Lamb wrote under the pseudonym Elia. Charles Lamb's essays are full of pathos. Who wrote Elia's essay is the only thing in English prose that can be called absolutely perfect. J.C. पॉइज ने बोला है. द नेम इलिया इज borrowed from the old Italian clerk at the South Sea House. Yes, it is true. Charles Lamb was a poet, a critic, and an essayist, and an antiquarian. Who killed Charles Lamb's mother? His sister Mary Lamb killed her in a fit of madness. Charles Lamb died a bachelor. Who wrote He is no lawyer who cannot take two sides? Charles Lamb ने लिखा हुआ है. Who wrote the work Mr. H? Charles Lamb ने लिखा है. Mr. H by Charles Lamb is a two-act farce. The farce Mr. H was published in 1807 in Drury Lane Theatre. So जो फार्स मिस्टर एच है ये 1807 में ड्रूरी लेन थिएटर में परफॉर्म हुआ है. Who called Charles Lamb the most lovable figure in English literature? E.V. Lucas ने बोला है. Both Charles Lamb and his sister Mary Lamb suffered a period of mental illness. Elia was the pseudonym Charles Lamb used for getting his works published in London Magazine. Who wrote A Tale of Rosamund Grey? Charles Lamb ने लिखा हुआ है. When was A Tale of Rosamund Grey published? 1798 में पब्लिश हुआ है. Who said that the play King Lear is too great for stage? Charles Lamb ने बोला हुआ है. Who wrote the romantic novel Rosamund Grey? Charles Lamb. Coleridge's This Lime Tree Bower, My Prison is addressed to Charles Lamb. Who wrote Specimens of English Dramatic Poets who lived about the time of Shakespeare? Charles Lamb. Who made a critical review of Charles Lamb's essays of Elia in 1823? Robert Southey. Charles Lamb was enthusiastic over such writers as Thomas Brown and Robert Burton. Charles Lamb suffered from a hereditary disease for some time. What was that disease? A streak of madness. Who wrote The Adventures of Ulysses? Charles Lamb ने लिखा हुआ है. Who called Coleridge logician, metaphysician, bard? Charles Lamb ने बोला है. Who wrote Witches and Other Night Fears? Charles Lamb. It is said that Lamb smiled with one eye and wept with the other. What does it mean? That there was a blending of humor and pathos. What is Charles Lamb often called? Antiquarian. Who wrote Oxford in the Vocation? Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb suffered all his life with stuttering. Who regarded Shakespeare's greatest play as books to be read than plays to be acted? Charles Lamb. Lamb devoted his life to the welfare of his afflicted sister. The first essay in Essays of Elia is The South Sea House. In the essay The South Sea House, Charles Lamb used the pseudonym Elia for himself, and Mary Lamb appears as cousin Bridget. Who wrote the work entitled Lines written after the death of Charles Lamb? Wordsworth ने लिखा हुआ है. Who wrote about Charles Lamb? Oh, he was God, if ever a good man lived. Wordsworth ने लिखा हुआ है. Charles Lamb's essays contain a fine blend of humor and pathos. Who wrote the essay Mrs. Battle's Opinion on Whist? Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb dedicated his essays of Elia to Coleridge. Who said Spenser is the poet's poet? Charles Lamb ने बोला हुआ है. Who is called the essayist par excellence? Charles Lamb. Who called Charles Lamb the essayist par excellence? Hugh Walker ने कहा है. Who used the epithet gentle-hearted? चार्ल्स फॉर चार्ल्स लैम्ब कोल्ड्रिज ने यूज़ किया हुआ है। विच एसे ऑफ चार्ल्स लैम्ब हैज़ हाईलाइटेड which essay of Charles Lamb has delighted generation of readers? Mrs. Battle's opinions on whist. Practically autobiographical fragments refer to Charles Lamb's essays of Elia. Who is called the Prince of English essayists? Charles Lamb. Did Charles Lamb smoke a lot? Yes. What did Charles Lamb say about tobacco? For thy sake, tobacco, I had do anything but die. Coleridge's poem To a Friend is addressed to Charles Lamb. Who wrote the essay Dream Children? Charles Lamb ने लिखा हुआ है. Charles Lamb's Dream Children is notable for its crushing tragedy. The Old Familiar Face was written by Charles Lamb. The Tragedies of Shakespeare is a critical work by Charles Lamb. On the Genius and Character of Hogarth is a critical work by Charles Lamb. Complete the title of Charles Lamb's work, A Farewell to Tobacco. Charles Lamb's sentimentality is seen at its strongest in such an early work as A Tale of Rosamund Grey. In which essay does Lamb make an indirect allusion to his frustration in love? Dream Children. Which essay of Charles Lamb is most autobiographical? Bachelor's Complaint Against Married Men. Which essay of Lamb is most pathetic? Dream Children. What is Charles Lamb's John Woodville? A tragic play है ये इनका John Woodville. Which work of Charles Lamb reject both the Jacobin and anti-Jacobin views? A Tale of Rosamund Grey. Who wrote Album Verses? Charles Lamb ने लिखा हुआ है. Who wrote the essay The Superannuated Man? Charles Lamb. Who calls Lamb one of the best beloved of English authors? W.H. Hudson. Who is called the Prince among essayists? Charles Lamb कहे जाते हैं. Charles Lamb is best known for his essays of Elia. In 1833, last essays of Elia were published by the publisher Edward Moxon. Who wrote Elia on the Old Benchers? Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb created a portrait of his father in his essay on the Old Benchers under the name Lowell. Who said about Coleridge his face when he repeats his verses hath its ancient glory? Charles Lamb ने बोला है कोल्ड्रिज के बारे में. With which famous writer Coleridge became friends with in Christ's Hospital? Charles Lamb. Who said it is the main Charles Lamb then constitutes the charm of his written words? Canon Angers. Who wrote the essay Confession of a Drunkard? Charles Lamb ने लिखा हुआ है. Who wrote the quote New Year's Day is every man's birthday? Charles Lamb ने लिखा है. Who wrote the essay My Relations? Charles Lamb. China in Old China means pottery. Who wrote the essay Old Familiar Faces? Charles Lamb. Who once said I am myself the subject of my essay? Charles Lamb. Who wrote a dissertation upon roast pig? Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb died at the age of 59. Okay friends, thank you so much.